Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video in the cloud computing. In the unit 5, in this video going to discuss about the cloud research. Our today's topic is introduction to cloud computing in a specific domain. How the cloud security helps in the providing management to gatekeeper of external wall. So identity and access management serves as a fundamental security framework in the cloud environment. Generally, cloud environment that only authorized users and system can be accessed very easily. So these kind of security identities controlling access, these kind of will be protect our cloud assets. So in that we are discussing the telling about the privileges. What are the different privileges we are using? The core concept behind is how the users receive only the minimum access rights. In the picture we can able to see, right? So in this we can have the access control, and followed with access control will be a different kind of thing connected. So how the key core concept behind this principal privileges, users only minimum access right will help to perform their job functions, nothing more or nothing less. So that is the main thing. So key benefits of this privilege of least privileges: reduces attacks surfaces and potential damage. So it also limits insider threats and accidental breaches. So simplifies compliance and audit process. So enhance overall security posture, etc. So these wide multi-factor authentication, and that is nothing but it is a MFA. Generally in the cloud computing we have something we have, that is a mobile device generated over a time based codes, or might be something you have biometric verification, right? So we are talking about the multi-factor authentication. This provides security. We are using the different authentication. For example, Gmail you have a mobile authentication, and also we have a password authentication. Likewise, so MFA in action, something you are biometric verification including fingerprints and also facial recognition, and also our major important our most securities retina scans, right? So likewise something traditional passwords and also might be a pin we are using, right? So combined with additional verification layers. So in the we are talking in the security purpose, MFA creates multiple security approaches, checkpoints. So for these checkpoints helps to reduce the risk factors. Even if one factor is attackers, on other might be attackers will still face additional barriers. So this study shows how the MFA blocks 99.9 percentage will be blocking the attackers from the outside things, outside the cloud environment, right? So in that role based and attribute based access control we are talking here. So role based attribute is in this topic we are cloud research. RBAC is nothing but role based attribute and access control. So attribute access control, in the picture we can able to see how the layout and other things processed here. So this permission assigned to based on the job roles and how the in the organizations. So developer gets developer access, manager gets approved rights, and executive gets strategic data access. So these things will be shared as a security. In this slide we are talking here is about the responsibility model. So likewise the cloud service provider, that is nothing but CSB. The important term using in the cloud computing is a cloud service provider, and also we have cloud service customer. So it's also responsible for how the physical infrastructure security we are using, and also we have the network and virtualization layers and production, and platform and base services security. So responsible for data encryption, classification, identify and access management. So application security and configuration, user access policies and monitoring. So these kind of IAM architecture components listed here. So first one is identity management. Who is that particular person? So we have to identify that things. So identify management plays a vital role. So for cloud security, next is authentication. So verify you have to through credential, MFA and biometric before granting and system access. And also authorization, nothing but it is the cloud security purpose. We have to authenticate, and also authorization must be important. So determine what kind of authentication users can do. Controlling permission and access level. So access policies and audit and monitoring. tracks all access events, generate logs and alerts and suspicious activities over the complaints. So let's talking about the particular specific domain in the cloud computing. So different domain will be suited for cloud computing. So which domains will be suitable here for cloud computing is explore how technology is evolving industries and transforming the way operate, innovate and deliver value in today's digital landscape. So we all know about what is cloud computing, right? So cloud computing is sharing of resources whenever we need we can use. So there is a major value here. So emerging trends and future of clouds in domains, AI and machine learning integration. So edge computing and other things we are talking here. So there is this is about the introduction part of how future in the cloud computing, how it's using in the specific domains used in the cloud search. So from this we can conclude how the cloud computing uses a specific domain in the cloud research. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.